Ever wondered how much that house down the street really sold for? Today, we're cracking the code on finding recent home sales data using Zillow. First, head over to Zillow.com and enter the city, neighborhood, or even a specific address in the search bar where you want to investigate recent sales. Once Zillow loads your selected area, look for the Filters button. It's usually located near the top of the map. Click on it. A whole menu of options will pop up. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down in the filters until you see listing type, and then select sold. After that, you'll want to specify the time frame. Zillow lets you choose how far back you want to go. For our example, we want sales from the last 6 months, so make sure that option is selected. Now, take a look at the map. You will see it's now populated with houses that have sold in your chosen area within the last 6 months. Click on any of those listings. Clicking on a listing will bring up all the details, including the final sale price, the date it sold, and other important property information like square footage and number of bedrooms and bathrooms. And that's it. By repeating this process for different properties in the area, you can start to build a solid understanding of recent sales trends and get a better idea of property values. Happy house hunting, or just plain investigating?